Have you ever seen an empty office floor and wondered, ये actually working office कैसे बनेगा? Most people think office interiors means only furniture, but actually there's a whole process behind it, and that is called office interior fit out.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here at Space Decors with RD, we work as design manager and project coordinators handling office interior fit out projects. In this video, I am going to explain office interior fit out in the most simple, practical and non-technical way, especially if you are planning for an office for the first time. Office interior fit out is not just interiors, it is a complete process of turning an empty office shell into a fully functional workplace. A place where employees can sit comfortably, meetings can happen smoothly, systems work properly, and the office actually feels like a company. So what is an empty shell? When we say empty shell, it means bare floors, no ceiling, no partitions, no lighting and no furniture. Basically सिर्फ structure होता है. Fit out work starts after this stage. So what all comes under office fit outs? Now this is where most people get confused. They think fit out means furniture, but basically fit out has multiple layers. First comes space planning and design. This decides how many workstations you need, where cabins and meeting rooms will go, reception, pantry, breakout zones and everything. Second is the civil and finishing work, which includes flooring, false ceiling, glass or gypsum partitions, wall finishes and paint. Third, and this is very critical, that is MEP services. MEP means electrical and lighting, air conditioning and ventilation, plumbing for pantry and washrooms, and fire and life safety systems. If MEP is wrong, the office will look good but won't work well. Then comes furniture and joinery, which will include workstations, chairs, storages, and conference or meeting tables. And finally, we have branding and technology. This will include company logo, signages, data and internet points, CCTV and access control. So now here's a term that you will hear very often in office projects. Category A fit out is the basic work usually provided by the landlord like ceiling, lighting and air conditioning. Whereas category B fit out is what makes the office your office. It includes layout planning, partitions, furniture, branding and final interiors. Most tenants mainly deal with category B fit out. So why is office fit out so important? A good office fit out is not about luxury. It is all about employee productivity, comfort and safety, smooth daily operations, and reflecting your company culture. A well-designed office actually helps people work better. So this is what office fit out really means, from an empty shell to a fully operational office. In my next videos, I'll share about fit out costs, timelines, common mistakes, and real site execution experiences. If you are planning an office or you are curious about how corporate interiors work, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.